Linear equations in two variable. Now we are learning determinant method, Cramer's rule. Here question, solve simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Suppose we have given two equations, 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here these are two equations, so we give numbers to the equations. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. This is our first equation. 4x plus 3y equal to 5. This is the second equation. First, to see these two equations are in the standard form or not. These are the two equations in the standard form, so we can solve it. If they are not in standard form, first upon make them in the standard form. For a determinant method, we require first upon determinant. Determinant is denoted by D. To calculate the determinant, we require only coefficients of x and y. So here coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is minus 4. So we can write here 3 minus 4. For the another equation, 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So coefficient of x is 4 and coefficient of y is 3. We take here 4, 3. To calculate the determinant, here cross multiplication of these two determinant and subtraction is required. How to calculate? First upon we take here like this, 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 4 into 4. Now calculate. 3 3s are 9, negative negative positive, so here 4 4s are 16. Therefore the value of determinant D is equal to 16 plus 9, which is 25. This is the value of the determinant. Now another, that is dx. To calculate the dx, here we take the coefficients of only y. Instead of x, we take here constant. So do not take the coefficient of x. Instead of this, we get here constant, that is 10 and 5. Here negative 4 and 3. Now same method, cross multiplication, 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5. 10 3s are 30, minus minus plus 4 5s are 20. So value of dx is equal to 50. This is the another value. Now we require determinant dy. To calculate the dy, take the coefficient of x, but instead of y we take here constant, that is 3 4. Instead of y we take here 10 5. Also here cross multiplication and subtraction. 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. Therefore we get here dy equal to, there is a subtraction, 25. So value of the dy is 25 minus 25. By using Cramer's rule, the value of x is equal to dx upon d. This is a formula to calculate the value of d, and also for y, dy upon d. X is equal to dx upon d. Dx means here 50 and value of d is 25. So here we get x is equal to 2, y is equal to dy means minus 25, d is 25, 25 ones are, so the value of y is equal to negative 1. Write the last answer. Therefore, solution of given simultaneous equation x is equal to 2 and y equal to negative 1 over